Okay. Hello, dear friends. Coucou evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. It's been a long time since my last winner unboxing. And I think nowadays the brands, usually they know that I am not good at selling, so they do not send me. But Vivaia, they from time to time they think about me. What is this? Thank you. Let's take a look. Let us take a look. And this is something new. I know they have something new. I will put it aside. We will start with this one. I have give them two choices for the coloring. I don't know which one they choose for me. Da da dee 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 dee. Gray. I do not have a gray shoes. Looks so comfortable. Wow. And I think this is water repellent. Let's give it a try. I hope it is. Oh, yes, water repellent. The water goes away. See? Drop some water. Water does not stay. That is good. Tomorrow I will do an outfit of the day and try it. It's pretty comfortable. Now let's take a look at the other one. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let's see. Okay, let's see. I give them two choices because if one is out, they can find a substitute easily. So let's take a look. This one. Was so light. This you have to see both. Oh, so cute. Cheetah. Wow. Love it. And it's so very light. Unbelievably light. And so soft and spongy. That's so cool. Oh, this is just a cushion of it. And the toe is square toe. They call it square toe. So when you sometimes we wear those very sharp pointed toe, kind of. There are times it becomes it's fancy, but sometimes it's just too hard on the toe. And this one is very comfortable. Oh my goodness, so very comfortable. Unbelievable. Wow, so cool. I love it. I do not like it. I love it. I love it. Okay, now we will take a look at this. This is a halfway socks, white color. Oh, white color. You know what I use for it? I can use it. The other day I did bicycling, and my pants are very relaxed, comfortable. Oh, you cannot see. Yeah, very relaxed, comfortable, and it has wide opening. The leg has wide opening. So when I did the biking, and the leg goes into the chain, it's very dangerous. I drive, I bike very, very slow, so it's okay, I can stop. But with this on the leg, I will never have those problems. I can use this as a binding part. Oh, I love it. That is it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. This is so very light, unbelievably light. I think you can bend it. Oh, bend it easily. You can bend it this way, this way, this way, this way. Oh, so comfortable. Oh my. I am so happy with it. And pretty fun to have this design on it. Don't you think so? Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Yeah, bye.